Well, hello there. We're back, and I hope you had fun trying to solve the case number 5. And we have one snap word to learn. An entire video for one snap word, which seems a little strange, but we're going to go with it because we're flexible, right? We're going to learn this new snap word, and we're going to do all the things we normally do and put it up on the board. And then I don't think we're getting any more snap words flying our next unit. So let's go ahead and get ready. Oops, wrong screen. To add it, okay? And this might be a word you already know, okay? And that's all right. But we're still going to study it and put it on the word wall together. So this is the word read, okay? You guys want to read it with me? We'll do it again. Read. Excellent. That's our first step. Check. Already finished. All right. Our next step is to study it. And I always think that this is the most important part. I have lots of kiddos say, do I really didn't need to do these snap word videos? I already know how to read them. Yes, they're important because of this studying part. I think it's really important to look at how words work, and especially with our last case, this is where you learn your look-alike words. This is where you learn your look-alike parts and how these words really work. So this step number 2, this study it part that kids don't want to do, this is the most important part. You really need to do it. So let's look at this word, read. What do you notice? I hope that some of you are saying that you notice that it makes the long E sound. Because I hear that too. Read. But what I don't see is an E at the end. So this does not follow the rule of the mysterious silent E because there is no silent E. But do you notice something else that we've studied in this unit? Yeah, guys, look at that vowel team. We know that sometimes E and A together make the E sound like in eat. Okay, I'm actually going to grab a sticky really quickly. Let's do a different color. Okay, I'm gonna put that on here. All right, I'm just going to slide this over just so you can see how these look-alike parts work. So I see this EA in the middle of the word, and let's say that this was a word I didn't know how to read. And I could look at this and say, well, now, are there any look-alike parts that I know? Well, I know this EA makes the E sound like in the word eat. Eed. Swipe it all together just like we do in phonemic awareness. Read. Guys, so important to study these words. Excellent. Now let's spell it together. Let's do a cheerleader voice. Give me an R. And you guys are going to shout R. Give me an E. Give me an A. Give me a D. What's that spell? Read. All right, fantastic. Now we're going to cover, write, and check. So go ahead and grab your camera, take a quick picture. All right, I'm going to move this and hide it. I want you to write it on your whiteboard. I'll give you just a few seconds to do that. I'm wondering if some of you have noticed that this word is somewhere else on this slide. All right, I'm going to pull it back in and I want you to check. It should look just like this. R-E-A-D. But if you were super sneaky like I am, it was also right here. So you could have used it. All right, our last thing that we always do is we make sure that we use this word in a sentence. I like to read books. Okay? If you have a sentence that you would like to use that in, you can share that with your teacher now. I'm going to jump over to our snap word wall and I'm going to add this word read, and I will see you guys in 2 days for your next phonics lesson. Have a great day.